today we have our high school artists helping out, our kindergarten artists, making some cards for our neighbors in Squirrel Hill at the Tree of Life as a show of love and support. This comes on the heels of our collaborative project where we had quilt strips that were distributed to each school with the idea that they would be available for students and staff to write sentiments of love and support. They will be woven together as an art piece that will be presented to our neighbors in Squirrel Hill at the Tree of Life. In times like these, we all need to come together, and Pittsburgh is a tight-knit community, and when something like this hits so close to home, we all are devastated right along with them.
Let there be peace on earth, let there be